Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a template in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First open Google Docs, then open the document you want to create a template. Once you are done editing the template, click File from the top menu and then click on Make a Copy. Now you can write the name of your template and then click Make Copy. Now you can edit the new copy without changing the original template. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.